Vlogmas day number 7. Today I'm doing some grocery shopping, but I figured while I'm here at the store, I better get some boxes for packing. So that's the mission today, packing boxes. Okay, check that out back there. That's a bunch of banana boxes. They really hooked me up here at Fred Meyer. Alicia, thanks. Woohoo! 9 boxes. I'm also taking out that steak that's wrapped up. I'm just taking it out of the paper. Woo! Ah! I got it out. Let's see what it says. Beef. Oh, ribeye roast. Okay, cool. I just shoved a couple of things in this one. There were French fries on sale. A giant bag for $3.99. I had to buy those. So, maybe we'll just thaw this baby out. Let's see. Put it in a bag, or maybe 2 bags to, you know, just in case it's a leaker. It's a giant roast. I don't think it will fit in the crock pot frozen. We're gonna have to have like a special dinner with it. All right, well, maybe I'll be able to use one of these boxes today and actually pack something in it. We'll see. It's about time for me to go get Jason from school, so I don't know. We'll see how much time we have today. We might get to it. It might be tomorrow. Honestly, guys, I am a little daunted by the whole packing. We've been here for 11 years and there's just a lot of stuff. And I don't know what to go through first, but I was thinking maybe this cupboard. We don't want this cupboard. It's really, really, really old and rickety. And it has art supplies and holiday stuff. Some of my mom's things, that's just in a tub. A bunch of other stuff. So, thought I'd go through that first. I got out the boxes, and none of them have the thick paper that they usually come with on the bottom. So, I'm going to have to cannibalize some boxes to make these babies actually work. All right, I've got my box ready, and I also have this bag, and that, my friends, is for stuff I don't want. Let's see. This is actually a Christmas present for our neighbor. Tape. We're going to use all this tape for Christmas. I'm keeping it in here, not in a box. So I think this is like the beginnings of a quilt. Maybe 12-inch squares. Maybe 9-inch squares, maybe 6-inch squares. I can't remember. Let's see. So a lot of that. Well, I'm not sure what to do with that. I was thinking that I might want to use the squares to make pot holders for Christmas presents. because this Christmas, that is just kind of how it's gonna go. I mean, we're gonna be moving soon. And that takes moolah. This is so cool though, don't you think? There's squares of it. I'm pretty sure Nana gave us this, that she found it somewhere, already started. But you know, I've had it for a long time and I haven't done anything with it. I think this part can just go in the bag of stuff that I don't want. An iron that I use for art projects but haven't used in 5 million years. That can go in the same bag as the quilt. Crafts. Kids' crafts. Have they used these crafts? A whole bunch of letter beads. Haven't used in a million years. Paint. Stencils. These were probably my stencils when I was little. Maybe I'll give those to Micah for Christmas. Cool. But most of this is garbage. So we're gonna go through this really quick and throw away the stuff that we don't need and put the stuff that we don't want where it's gonna go. So this is great. I got a bag of garbage. I've got a bag to go to the Goodwill. I don't have anything to keep. Oh. Okay. I have Christmas wrapping. You know what? I better put the stuff that I'm actually going to use up here. This is not exactly what I was thinking was going to happen. I thought I would either be packing or giving away. But these are Christmas present things. This don't need. That looks like garbage. A couple different little Halloween costumes. I'm not going to keep those. An Easter egg. Okay, these are the bags that we use for the kids' special Christmas treats. Why are there only 2? There should be 3. Plus we have this extra bag. And this big bag. What's this? Crayons. Another Easter egg. It's a good one. Dried up paint. A crusty old giant paintbrush. Okay, well, we can keep the crayons. Might actually be one thing that I'll put in the box. So, oh, more crayons. This is a box of memorabilia of my mom's. So I am keeping this. I don't know if it needs to go in its own box. Probably just keep this tub. Well, this is Christmas. Well, not all of it. There's Halloween stuff. Halloween decorations. I do not want to keep Halloween decorations. They're Gretchen's. Yeah, see, this is just weird. But I'm gonna put it in a separate bag and let her decide whether she's gonna pack it with her stuff. Beads. Kids actually still make stuff with these pony beads, so I'm going to save them. Christmas cards! We've got boxes. I knew we had ribbons. Okay, so we've got Christmas boxes, Christmas ribbons, Sharpies. Ooh, another one of these guys. Looks kind of dull, but I will keep that. I'm sure we'll need it. It will be nice to have two going at the same time. I'm gonna use these Sharpies definitely to write on the boxes. Christmas treat baggies. Okay, Easter decorations. Valentine's Day stuff. I will keep the Valentine's Day stuff because we like to make our own cards. This is Gretchen's. I'm gonna put it with the Halloween stuff. More Easter things. So I have a box of Easter eggs and grass that I had in my classroom. We did centers with those. And then the kids have their own Easter baskets and eggs. I do want to save those, but I might need to shove the eggs in that other box. A brown gift bag. Excellent. Aha! We're gonna need a bunch of these. These are our treat containers. Spoiler, we're making treats for Christmas along with pot holders. This can go to the Goodwill. An unused bow. Excellent. And then there's just a bunch of garbage down here. Gretchen can decide what to do with this. This is a Goodwill bag. And there's our Easter stuff. All right. Garbage. All right. At least all the eggs and grass fit in one box. Come on, you. I don't really want to put that sideways. What if all of those fall out? It's a game of Tetris. Let's do it this way. Ah, ta-da! Okay. So, this is what I've packed so far. Measly amount. Yeah. But at least I have this too. And I got rid of 2 bags of things. Now, well, it's not going to close all the way, but it's okay. It won't be too bad. Let's see. Let's put the Easter stuff in there too, since I've already worked on that. I can put, let's see, will it fit on top of Mom's stuff? Excellent. Shove this down here. Well, that's better. And now I have a present to wrap. Actually, 2 presents because I've got that for Micah and one for our neighbor. Oh, I should write on here. So far, this is art and Easter. Real quality, I'm telling you. Real quality. So this is probably all that I will have time to do today after I go get the girls. It's date night, so we'll probably be going on our date. So thank you for hanging out with me on Vlogmas number 7. Getting boxes, actually packing one of them, and getting rid of some stuff that I don't need and don't want to move. All right, well, I will see you tomorrow for day 8. Thanks for watching. Hey, would you comment? Let me know. What do you keep in your weird extra storage cabinet, you know, in some obscure place in your house? You saw what I kept in mine. Okay, one addition. We have a P.O. box now near the camp that we're going to. And if you send us a Christmas card, we will send you a Christmas card. You can participate in our Christmas card exchange. Thanks, Summers in Alaska, for giving me this awesome idea. All right, so here is the P.O. box. It's kind of weird because they don't give you a number. They just give you your last name. So, Leach Family, P.O. Box Leach in Dryden, Washington, 98821.